Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing the previous year question paper. Understanding past papers is key to scoring well, as it helps you identifying important topic, questions, patterns, and the best way to approach answers. Stay tuned till the end for useful insights and tips. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such informative content. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Watch till end for question papers and do subscribe for new question papers on my channel. Coming to the examination 2 of the subject SSLC examination question paper, English medium. As you can see the date over here, 18/6/2024. This is the examination 2 paper, as they have taken 3 examinations for the SSLC students. And the first question is from the probability. As you can read the question, and the option is H into L is equals to A into B. This is an applied question from the chapter real numbers, not from probability, it is from real numbers. And coming to the second question, the discriminant of the equation. So this is from a quadratic equation, and the answer number is 0. And this is from trigonometry chapter 9, sin 90 degree minus theta divided by cos 100 degree minus theta is equals to, answer number D is correct, cot theta. Coming to the fourth question, the answer 5 units is correct. Coming to the fifth question, the answer number C 36 is correct. Coming to the question number 6, if the diameter of the circle is 14 centimeter, then its circumference is 20. This is 44 centimeter. Option number B is correct. Coming to the seventh question, the volume of the cube of the age 5 centimeter. From this chapter, surface area and volume, you should be perfect with all the formulas that it is in the textbook NCERT, and the option number D is correct. 125 centimeter cube is the correct answer. Coming to the eighth question, an arithmetic progression contains 20 terms. If the first term is second and the last term is 78, then the arithmetic progression is, here the option number C is correct. 2, 6 and 10 are the correct terms. And coming to the question number 9, as you can come to the question number 9, explain 70 as a product of its prime factors. It is from real numbers, and it is 2 into 5 into 7. This is the correct answer. It is for a 1 marks question. And coming to the 10th question, if the line representing the pair of linear equation, this is from the pair of linear equation 2 variables. As you can see, the intersecting lines, they have many solutions. Do they have only one solution, a unique solution? You have to answer for the above question, as intersecting lines have only one solution, as they intersect at a single point. Which of the zeros of the polynomial for the question P of x is equal to x square minus 25 and plus 5 or minus 5, as finding the roots they will plus or minus 5. It is answer as by combining. You should write it as like this, plus or minus 5. Coming to the 12th question, it is from the chapter triangle. You can see how they are solved. And coming to the question number 13th, in the given figure, this is from trigonometry. They were asked here to find the sine alpha. By giving, they have given the sides and their units, and the answer is sine alpha is equal to 3/5. Here alpha is theta. They have asked the sine theta. If you know the formula, you can substitute the formula and find the answer. 3/5. 3/5 means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Write the formula, find the total surface. So what I told in beginning, you should practice all the formulas from the surface area and volumes chapter. And what they ask, you can see, write the formula, find the total surface area of the solid hemisphere of radius r units. 3 pi r square is the correct answer. Coming to the question here, in a given figure, it is from the triangle lesson. As you can see, applying the BPT and many of the triangle theorems, this question has been solved. You can see the AB is equals to 10 centimeter Please read the questions. I am just scrolling and I am telling the key points what they have, how you have to write the question paper, and what are the key techniques you have to follow in the examination, particularly in mathematics question paper. And do please subscribe to the channel, as I bring many of the videos related to question papers. Don't just watch to my channel and videos on, because I myself spend lots of time for you people or students. So please, I am requesting all students to please subscribe to the channel. And coming to the 17th question, prove that 2 plus root 3. This is the very most important question, and I have been repeated many of the times in the many question paper. Here this question will repeat, but the number will be different, and the procedure of solving to the question and the approach is same. This is asked for 2 marks. Many of the time they are asking this question for 2 marks. Before it was for 3 marks and all. But they are also given OR option. But solving the 17th question, first month question, is better than solving the OR option. As you can see that also how they are solved. And for the OR question, they have solved it from here. This is they have solved the from here for this question. This question, OR question, they have solved the answer from here below the R. Solve the given pair of a linear equation by elimination method. You can solve this by any of the method, but here particularly they have mentioned the elimination method, so you have to solve by elimination method. Don't use substitution and multiplication method for solving this type of question, because you will waste your time by solving this question. You will get the answer, but you have no time. You only have 3 hours. In that 15 minutes they will take for all their works, registration on in the question, in the examination. So be prepared with it. They will not provide you answer sheet before 15 minutes. Only 2 and 45 minutes you will be getting for solving the question. So don't waste. If you know the simple tricks and tips, use that tips and tricks for solving this type of questions. And coming to the question number 19, this is from arithmetic progression. Per year they will ask one question regarding to this, to find the arithmetic progression or find the sum of first 20 terms by using the SN formula. For writing the formula you will get the half marks, and n is equal to 20 means writing this all values, given values, you will get half marks, and writing this formula you will get half marks, you can see here. And for solving steps you will get half marks, means total half 1, and this combination will 1, and this combination will 1, and this combination will 1, means total you will get 2 marks. See how they have distributed the marks. And coming to this question, where also they have given a note, if any other correct alternative method, means you know any other alternative correct method, if your answer is correct, they will definitely give you the marks. So here they have given the note here. This question is from the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 using quadratic equation. You can solve this, means you have to find the roots of the quadratic equation by solving this above and finding the roots of quadratic equation. For this method, you can solve this by Sridharan's formula or any other method. Here they have solved with the Sridharan's formula. You can see, as I can see, they have given the OR option. So this is one question, this is one question. For this question, this answer start from here, and for this OR question, this question, the answer starts from below. As this is the first question, the answer will start from the first. This is the last question, the answer will start after completing this answer. As you can see, the answer for the OR question what I shown above is started from here. They will not mention the question number. You have to think that this answer will start from here, because here is the OR. Now this is from the coordinate geometry. You can see they have asked the question regarding how the line segment divides 3:1. They have asked you to find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. The points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. Please notice on these points, because internally and externally, these are the two things which student directly takes that question directly solve, taking it internally. Please think and solve to the question. See whether they ask internally or they have asked externally. See the steps how they have solved. Coming to the 22 question. This question is from also the same chapter as they have given here. They have not given the or. Sorry, this question is a fresh question. They have started from here. And see how they have solved. See the steps how they have found the value of x. As here there is no x they have, means here there are 3 points of the triangle, and you can see here how here they have given the x, and for this all x explanation they have solved here, and they have got the answer as 4. Coming to the probability lesson, please solve the applied questions on probability to score out of out marks from probability. Probability is generally the chapter which is asked for 4 to 5 marks, minimum 4 marks, maximum 5 marks, because 3 marks they will ask for one question, and this is from construction chapter. One fixed question will be asked from construction. And see the distribution of marks as they have given here. You can see half marks for the angle between the radii, drawing circle of radius 4 centimeter. They have given half marks, and again here half marks drawing arcs. These are the arcs, these cuts are arcs here, and you can see here these are the total for they have asked this question for total 2 marks. These are the marks distribution. Coming to the polynomial chapter, and as here the section will start from 3 marks. As you can see how they have provided the or and how to solve. This is a very much systematic matter you should follow. How the marks distribution is there here, you have to follow each and everything, so you can score good marks. Coming to the or question, just I will scroll because the video length will be very much lengthy, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please support me, for I am spending this time with you, so I will be getting motivation if you subscribe, like, share this video with your friends so they can be scoring the good marks, and refer this video for scoring in the examination. And how you should know the tips and tricks to solving this type of questions. See all the questions. Coming to the trigonometry, this is question applied base, and if you don't know the identities you cannot solve this question, so please practice the identities and where to apply the identities and in the which step. So if you don't know the answer, please convert in the sine and cos terms and whatever you know, and by solving the identity, applying many of the identities. If you don't know, I am telling this. And lastly, you should write this answer. This is one trick for this question. Lastly, you directly write this answer if you don't know. If you know, you can solve this question. I will not tell you how to solve this, I know, but it will be video will be very much lengthy, as here answers are already written. You can see how steps they have given the marks. Allocation allotted are here. As you can see, these are the marks allotted, and total they have asked for 3 marks. This type of question they have asked permanently in the question paper. This type of questions they have asked many of the times, and these are the fixed question in the question paper. I will directly openly I will say these are the fixed question in the question papers. So you should practice n number of questions, because they will be not asking the same question. You should know the concept, you should apply the concept, then you can solve these questions using the help of identities and many of the trigonometric formulas. So coming to the next question, this is from the statistic chapter, mean, median, mode. You should practice these all questions here, how to construct the table and all. You should just see how the values and how the formulas will fetch you the marks. See here, it is the formula, and they have given the half marks. Don't think that they will give the 1 marks for the formula. They will never give you the 1 mark for formula. They will only give half mark formula if you write the formula. Otherwise, they will not give you the marks. See how it has been solved. Now I will be just scrolling this paper. You just go on watching how they have solved the question paper and how the tricks they have used. I will be explaining for the OZ here the mistakes what students does in the question paper. Here they have scale units. We should write this, because this will fetch you the half or 1 marks, and pointing these all points will fetch you 1 marks, and drawing this axis will give you half marks. As you can see here, I will show the how marks distribution has been done over here. As you can see, drawing the axis as what I told above there will fetch you 1 marks. Plotting points what I told 1 marks. Drawing Uzi curve will get the 1 marks, and total 3 marks will fetch. If you miss any of the steps from here, all points, you will losing the 1 marks. Coming to the chapter of triangle, here the applied question, what they asked from the BPT and many of the theorems, they have asked the applied question based on the triangle lesson. So go through this question and practice by seeing only questions, and you can solve this question without seeing, and then you can check the answers. Coming to the triangle lesson, circle lessons, they are asked the theorems. There are 2 to 3 theorems in the circle chapter. You should practice all 3 theorems, and mainly in this video what you are seeing means see the steps for theorems and directly read from here. You will get the full marks, that I will assure you. See half marks here, half marks here, again half marks here. See the how marks they have distributed for the corresponding terms what you have written over there, half marks. So totally they have asked it for 3 marks. So here is the construction from the chapter construction. They have asked this question 32, you can see, sorry, the question 32 you can see here. This is from chapter construction. So here are 7 to 8 questions on this chapter. Solve all the questions. One question is fixed in the examination. So practice all 7 to 8 questions. You will get sure shot 1 question on this chapter from the textbook questions only. No applied questions have, and they have asked in many of the question papers. They have not a single question they have asked from outside. They will ask it from only the textbook what you have followed in the 10th standard textbook I am saying about. And see the marks distribution again here. Total 3 marks and 1 marks for construction given triangle and construction acute angle and drawing arcs. What the arcs you have, arcs should be clear. Don't draw arc lightly, and how you have to solve this question paper. And you have seen that. Now I will just be scrolling this question paper. Please pause till end and do subscribe to my channel. Sorry if any background noise has been appeared in this video. See how they have solved the question paper. Mainly again coming to the graph side, for drawing this table you will get 2 marks, and for this drawing all these things you will get 1 marks. And you can see here how they have distributed the marks. As here I will see here how 2 marks, 1 marks and 1 marks, total 4 marks. See the distribution of the marks here, and you can see all the means this is applied question based on application of trigonometry. As you can see here, please see all the points clearly and watch the video till end. And mainly I am telling about the theorem side. Please write all the theorems. If theorems are appearing from my videos, they are asked here the ratio of 2 similar. They are asked the question of theorems on the similar theorem question. So please go through this video and solve the theorems. Do theorems and steps from my video only, because this what I solved here is from directly from the board. So refer these videos, and especially for the how they have marks distribution they have provided. And for especially I will tell you that theorem if you do from my videos, you will directly fetch out marks in the examination. See how the theorems they have here, mark distribution, half marks, half marks, half marks. This half marks is from this what equation data you have written, means how the marks are being distributed you can see here. And do preparation for theorems from this video, or if you want refer other YouTube videos, or if you don't mind you could write from textbook what they have provided. If you write directly from the textbook, you will get the out marks directly. And if you refer this video and this question paper what here they have solved, you will also get out of 4 marks from the theorem, that I will provide the guarantee. This is from the chapter surface area and volume. This question they have asked for 5 marks, 5 not 4 marks. They have this question they have asked. This question they have asked for 5 marks or 4 marks, just we will see at the end. how they have solved this. You can see the marks distribution at the right hand side. You can see the marks distribution. Sorry, this question they asked for 4 marks, and if you check for the 5 marks which question they are asked, let's check. They are asked from the arithmetic progression. This is a very super important question. They are asked mainly, they will ask from surface area and volumes or arithmetic progression. Maximum they are asked from maximum they will ask from, there are 3 possibilities what they will ask. One from theorems, from chapter triangles, one from arithmetic progression, and one from surface area and volume. These are the 3 chapters where they can ask for 5 marks question. Or one more is some applications of trigonometry. These are the 4 chapters. From there they can ask for 5 marks question. Leaving this chapter, they will never ask for 5 marks question from any other chapters. As you can see how this is solving the for arithmetic progression, and arithmetic progression contains 30 terms. The 17th term of the progression, as you can see, read the question and just go through the answer. You will, if you have studied well and good from beginning, you will understand the each and every step. You will start seeing the video at the end directly, then you will not understand the step, but follow the steps what I told in the question paper, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you till watching the end. Please share with your friends and prepare well for your examination. All the best for your examination. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. At the end, I am requesting, please subscribe. Thank you.